A new study has found a promising opportunity in the search for life on one of Saturn's moons. News.com has discovered that landing directly on the surface of the ocean moon Enceladus would allow for the measurement of life-affirming substances within its icy spray. The Saturnian moon Enceladus presents a remarkable opportunity in our solar system for searching for evidence of life, given its habitable ocean and plume that deposits organic-bearing ocean material onto the surface. A study published in the journal Communications Earth and Environment on Monday, December 18, states. Prior research covered by News.com found evidence of essential ingredients for life in the plume of water and ice emanating from the moon. This discovery was made by researchers sifting through data collected by NASA's probe Cassini, launched into space to study Saturn and its 146 moons. We know that Enceladus ocean is habitable thanks to Cassini measurements, the lead researcher on the new study, Planetary Science Institute's senior scientist Amanda R. Hendricks, said in a statement. We know there is liquid water, energy, and the chemicals carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus and sulfur. These are the ingredients necessary for life as we know it. Until now, it was thought that the only way to measure the organic substances within Enceladus ocean was to sample the icy spray by flying into it. However, Hendricks' team discovered that instruments on the moon's surface could measure relatively pristine organics, which would avoid the need to fly through the plume. This would be possible due to the fact that the ocean moon's organic substances are preserved by limited ultraviolet, UV, light exposure, the study found. The research showed that icy grains in Enceladus plume are buried by fresher grains that block UV exposure, which would otherwise chemically transform the ocean's organic materials. The damaging UV photons only penetrate around 100 micrometers into the moon's surface, the width of a few human hairs, Space.com reported. We can learn a lot about potential biosignatures in Enceladus ocean by sending a mission to the surface of Enceladus, Hendricks said. Previously, it was thought that in order to sample the freshest material from the Enceladus ocean, you have to fly through the plume and measure plume grains and gases. But now we know that you can land on the surface and be confident that your instruments can measure relatively pristine plume organics, sourced from the ocean.